Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with me. Today I will tell you 10 lines on Great Indian Bustard. So let's start. Great Indian Bustard is state bird of Rajasthan. The Great Indian Bustard is a bird found in Indian subcontinent. It is a large bird. It has height of about 1 meter. Its weight is about 20 kilograms. It is also known as golden bird. The crown of its head is black. The bird is mainly found in Rajasthan, Karnataka and Maharashtra. The Great Indian Bustard is omnivorous. Only 150 Great Indian Bustards are remaining in world. Please subscribe, it will only take one click.